Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen. Today I'm doing another hike and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I just wrapped up my 6th year of teaching today. Today was the last day of school, so the kids took their last final exams and ended the school year. Today I'm actually checking out Sansom Park. It's called Marion Sansom Park in Fort Worth, Texas. I've never been here before. This is my first time, and so far I'm actually really loving it. I decided to do the dam drop loop, which apparently I think has a waterfall. So I hear the water, and I'm hoping that there's actually a waterfall. It has been raining a lot, so I'm sure there'll be a waterfall there. But let's go check it out. Yeah, this is a really nice park. I don't know why it is taking me so long to get here, but I'm really enjoying hiking here. This part of the trail has lots of trees, which I was kind of worried about coming out here right now because it's really hot and I didn't want to get a sunburn. But this part of the trail has so many trees, so definitely lots of shade. Not sure what will happen when I get to the bottom near the water, but so far so good. Check this place out if you're looking for a place to hike in Fort Worth. So I made it down here to the lake area. I believe that water is Lake Worth, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna look into it, but I'm still on this trail. This is the dam loop, and I'm getting close to the waterfalls. I made it out here to the falls. I don't know if y'all can actually hear me, but you can probably hear the falls back there. So just some nice little falls. There's a lot of people here swimming and fishing. Not sure if they're actually catching anything, but overall this place is a great place to enjoy nature and to go hiking. There goes the dam back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. So I am pretty much about to call this a day. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will see y'all on the next hike.